Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to explain how to create triplet in Musescore 4. The first thing you have to do is you have to set the notes. If it is a quarter note time like this, click to plat and triplet, or click Ctrl+3 like this and add the notes like this. If the notes equal half note, just click half note and click to plat and click triplet, and we add the notes again, and let's try the like this. Let's try a whole note time, use triplet, and done. Let's hear the notes. That's how you use triplet. How to use triplet in Musescore 4. See you on the next video. Bye.